Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you how to create ID picture 2x2 and 1x1 ID. First thing you need to do is you must have your picture ready for this project. Okay, let's do that then. Go to file, open, locate the picture that you want to use. Right. If you got this type of picture like grayish background or white background, then it should be ready for ID picture. All you got to do is crop it. So go to cropped and we'll write to IN. Make sure that you write IN. That stands for inches. Resolution leave you as 300, and when you're ready, start from here, click and drag. That would be your 2x2 ID. Let's center it a little bit. When you think it's okay, click enter. And that's your 2x2 ID. Alright, let's save that. Save as 2x2 ID. Leave it on desktop. Right. The second thing we're gonna do is 1x1 ID. So what you're gonna do is leave it here on the crop tools, and on weight write 1IN and height 1IN as well. Resolution leave it as 300. Start from here. Right, drag it to this edge. Oh, when you think it's ready, just click enter. There you go, that's your 1x1 ID. Nice and easy. It's pretty quick, huh? So name is as 1x1 ID. Right, close that one. What do you do when you want to print it out? Just go to file, click new, customs, go to photo and open up landscape 5x7. That would be 5R. Background would be white, and color mode would be RGB. Right, if you got white background, you won't see it once you cut the pictures. So what you're gonna do is change the color into a bit gray. Just click down here and there. That would be it. Now open the picture that you want to print, the 2x2 and the 1x1. So what you're gonna do is look for that picture. Open that one and that one. Click enter. Now you got two pictures down there. Control A and Control C, then Control V, and that would be your 2x2 ID picture. So to multiply that one, just press the Alt button from your keyboard, hold it and drag. Just keep holding it and keep dragging it. Right, so you got 4 pieces of 2x2 ID now. Now do the same thing on the 1x1 ID. Control A and Control C and Control V. And Alt. Keep dragging it till you have enough space. Right. Okay, there you have it. Now you got 8x8. 8 pieces of 1x1 ID and 4 pieces of 2x2 IDs. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully you like this video and you learn something from it. Thank you.